How to fix WhatsApp chat backup stuck problem, fix it in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, you have to open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, and then click on the apps. Now you have to wait a few seconds, just a few seconds, and then scroll until you find WhatsApp. If you didn't find it, you can just search for it here in the search bar and click on it. Now this is the app informations page. On this page, all what you want to do is click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone, and then go down to the open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app and click on ask every time. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Now restart your phone, reopen the WhatsApp, and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have to update your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe.